Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I will discuss those features due to which students and researchers, especially from US and UK, are now switching and choosing SciSpace over other AI tools. And I believe among those top features, that one feature which makes SciSpace to stand out over other is actually the verified report. So do you know what is verified report? Here you can see this is the SciSpace main page, and we can conduct anything. Let's suppose if we want to conduct a literature review, so we can simply click on this. So we can, you see, do a scientific literature review on any topic and include on any topic. And if we want to do deep research, so we can simply click on this like deep research. So you can see it also mentioned that deep research and include those paper. So I will help you to know how we can access that verified report through this. So first you should click on this deep research. So once you will click on this deep research, so here are the two options. One is standard report and one is verified report. So I have already created a verified report, so let me take you to that one and show you that how you can also generate verified report. So, and I will also show you what actually verified reports look like. So here you see I have asked use SciSpace deep search to find research paper on. Here you see I have just given my title, I mean space flight as a lens on plant stress biology, molecular mechanism of force, redox and growth regulation. And then I have also asked that you can create a PowerPoint presentation summarizing the key finding, including the information on force, redox, growth regulation in plants. So here you see, here it has already created this deep and verified report for me. So here you see it has created different figures. So here is figure 1 and here is another figure. It helped me to create this one, these 4 figures. So let me show you one by one. So here comes actually the verified report. So this is the outline, and here you see this was the to-do list, and you can see this was mechanotransduction mechanism on this topic. So as you know, most of the research AI tools actually hallucinate the reference and they create fake references, but now SciSpace can help us to generate verified report. As here you can see, this is the citation. Once you will click on this cited reference, so it will directly show you that reference. So it means now those people who are actually very careful about citing true references. So here you see, with the help of this verified report, now you can directly access that whole paper at the point where this paper was cited in the text, in addition to all those features which were already discussed. So and here let me show you that now all those references are 100% verified, and even you can take this step even further ahead. And the best thing about this, that now this feature is available for all those, like I mean if you want to conduct a systematic literature review with verified report, so you can also create. And if you want to create simple literature review, or if you want to create a PowerPoint presentation with verified report, so you can also generate. So here is another research which I have already done. So you can see I have already created a detailed systematic literature review according to the guidelines of Prisma. So you see here it helped me to generate that. I think so most of you already know about this feature. So here is one thing important, which is a benchmark study which actually makes the comparison of how SciSpace versus Elicit and Consensus, these are actually three tools, and they have made a comparison with the help of 200 queries. And as here you can see, SciSpace deep review feature and SciSpace base mode actually stands out compared to this Consensus and Elicit. It is not only based on this that this information is only tested by one model, it is actually tested by all other models, especially let me show you one by one. So here were the key findings that you can see. The SciSpace deep review led on the precision at 9 of the 10 ranking depth. You can see, I mean, at the precision of third to up to precision of 70 had the highest average precision across all the cutoff. And although Consensus deep had the best single precision, especially at the first, but you can see its advantage was disappeared when at the later stages. And why best fit result is the wrong way to judge AI research, because some tools are good in one thing, like some tools are only good at making graphical abstract, other tools are good at creating literature. But I believe now the SciSpace agent is giving all in one at one places. So if you don't know, I have already recorded these features one by one, so you can go and check this list. So, and here was how the 200 complex queries were run, and it belongs to the different domains like medicine, AI, computer, business, social science, engineering, law, policies, and everything. And here was the result. So you see here, SciSpace deep review was at the number 1 compared to the then followed by Consensus and Elicit. And here were results, how many relevant papers you actually get compared to the others. So you can see the papers which we get through the SciSpace were highly relevant compared to we get through other two. And now let me take you to another. Let's suppose if you want to conduct analysis of this data, so you can simply upload that PDF, and you can also ask to perform analysis of that data. So you can see it will automatically perform that analysis and will help you to create those figures which you will ask one by one. So here you see now the SciSpace agent is even more stronger, and you can perform any task related to your research. But as you know, this all comes true with only the paid version. So here is its pricing page. So you can see you can get its access by monthly at $20 for premium one, which you will get 1200 credit, and in the advanced version you will get 10,000 for the $90, which I believe is little high for students, but no problem. Here I have few codes, so you can use this UTM link and you can use this JNLE20 for 20% off on monthly plan and 40% off for this yearly plan. So hopefully now you will use this verified report for your next research task. If you have any question related to its use, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.